Go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today, we are going to show our fidgets. Yes, well, we made some of the fidgets because, we made most of the fidgets because we don't have money to buy fidgets. Some people do, but something. So, Pepper, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first? Rock, paper, scissors, side, shoot. I go first. So this is first my fidget. I don't know what this dog thing is. It's just like a moving thing that you can move it around. You can make it a ball, animal, something. You can twist it. It's so crunchy if you can hear it. Shh, guys. Can you hear this? Oh, it's not your tone yet. It feels good. So, yeah. So this is my other fidget. Where you going, Daddy?
I'll be back.
Okay. So, this is our other fidget.
See, look, Piper, I smiled.
This is so weird. This is the other fidget. It's with kinetic sand in it. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, this is my other fidget. It has kinetic sand on it. It has a bandit on it for some reason. I don't know why, but it's really cool. So, yeah. Here's my second fidget. I don't know. If you could squish it, it doesn't make a noise. So, see, it doesn't make a noise. See, it doesn't make a noise. But it's fun to play with. It feels good. I love it. Guys, feel it. Feel it! Okay, you felt it. Okay. This is the same video. It's just like big. Feel it. So crunchy. Really crunchy. Yeah, it's so crunchy. Okay, here's my second fidget. Second, this. I don't know what this dog thing is. Where's your but where's your unicorn squishy? But this is a squishy. It's just there's a hole in it. Shh. So cool. Okay, this is another fidget. It's like a skirt thing. It's not any things to do. So it's like a fidget you can squish. Rub, breathe up. So there's my board, right? Okay. Squishy. Now be quiet. So squishy. Why is it? It feels so good. Yeah. Okay. This is the other fidget. God, it's really good. I made this with soap and water. It's really crunchy. I love it. But after we show all fidgets, we're gonna be trading in this video. So yeah. No, in the next video we're gonna be trading. Yeah. So this is my unicorn sketchy. I bought it and I waved something. It's totally broken, but I just been holding it. I feel much. But I bet you can pull it out the video. It's squishy. It doesn't really make a noise, but look at. I'm gonna squish it. Look at how it falls up. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. Falls up so quickly. We got this fidget. It's like a squishy fidget, like the other one, but it's like really soft. So I love it. So here's my other fidget. It's like this one, but it's not. This one is more crunchy on that one. So here this. It's the same thing. Water, soap. You don't have to add soap. You can add glitter. But guys, I'm not gonna show anymore because I showed you all my fidgets. Things has one more thing to show. So, and my last thing is I made it pop it. I know it doesn't make a noise, but it's okay. It still makes a noise, but it's okay. It's a cool fidget. And this video, on the next video, we are gonna be trading. Yes, we're gonna be trading 4 times or 5. I don't know. But we hope you like this video. Subscribe and click that bell. Give us 100 likes, not 1,000, just 100. So I hope you like this video. Bye, guys. Bye.